Hi, this is a quick comparison of the Akko V3 cream yellows, which is recently released by Akko, with some jelly blacks, Gateron Pro Yellow version 2 Pro version 2. Here Akko Cellular CS switches. Here Akko V3 cream yellow, this one Gateron Pro Yellow 2.0, this one Akko jelly blacks. Out of the box, this is really strange. Jelly blacks. Out of the box. Sorry, my mother language is not English, so I may make few mistakes while I'm talking. Sorry about that. Out of the box, jelly black is really strange because this is prelude by Echo. I think only they have lubed rails, not the spring and stem. So you can hear the spring. I'm not sure if you can hear or not, but it's real there. I said it is strange because at the same time this one is after the box little bit scratchy. Also smooth. I don't know how to describe that, but that's what it is. But the yellow cream is totally different. Actually, anyone want to use case which are without the lubing, you really can use this one because this one is real creamy. It is not lubed, it is not lubed, but it is really creamy, really buttery smooth. It is almost creamy as Gateron Yellow Pro 2.0. Yeah, it's a great switch. Out of the box, definitely this one is better. But after the lube, it totally become different. All the switches. These switches I have here, jelly blacks and this one cream yellow. These three switches are lubed. Every other case is lubed. So I'm going to give you little sound test. Akko CS Silver, cream yellow, jelly black. These three jelly blacks, then Gateron Pro Yellow 2.0, this one yellow cream V3. This is the sound. jelly blacks. Yellow cream with 3, jelly black, CS silver. I think jelly black is talkier than this Gateron Pro Yellow 2.0. Definitely little muted than this Gateron, but not much. It is not much different. Different okay than Gateron. Smooth is same as I think, not different much. Yes, not much different. But cream yellow, they are buttery smooth, but they are real loud. Really loud. Pushback is really fast, and pushback sound is really nice. It's very super clean, really crispy sound, but definitely poppy. More clacky, not clacky. I think poppy sound, crispy loud sound, super smooth, crispy loud sound. This one Toki Gateron Pro Yellow 2.0. This is really Toki. Jelly blacks. CS Silver. CS Silver is a little bit Toki, but not as Gateron Pro Yellow 2.0 and Jelly Black. This is Jelly Black. CS Silver. Little louder. This is muted and Toki. This is really Poppy. Pro Yellow V3. Sorry. Akko V3 Cream Yellow. So that's it. Little comparison between few switches. Thanks.